And this is the exact reason, like literally, this is the exact reason. So anyone watching, this is why you don't accept orders that are that cheap. What's up, dudes? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're about to head out, go to the mall, but today I got a fun little video. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It could be totally terrible, but I am going to literally accept every order that comes in, no matter what. No matter the price. The only thing that I'm saying I'm not going to accept is something that takes me to the strip. Because I'm sorry, but that would just, yeah, it's just not gonna happen. I'm not going to the strip at all. So today we're gonna accept every order that comes in, and I mean, it might be a video that proves a point of why you don't accept every order, or we could get totally lucky and like the first 2 orders are gonna be great. So I'm gonna do 3 orders no matter what, I think, unless it totally sucks, because I got about a 2-hour dash, 2.5 hours. So we got from 11:30, it's 11:38 right now, and we got till 2 o'clock. So we're gonna hit up a few, I might not work it all the way until then. I got some stuff I gotta do. But so today, we're gonna accept every order. We just logged in on the dash, and we are going to drive over to the mall as usual. And let's see what we get. Hopefully we don't get like screwed and take some crappy orders, but today, accepting everything. Today's question of the day, in which I ask my audience to comment down below. Let me know what you guys do for your main job, or like whether you're like a doctor. You're probably not a doctor, but like, do you work at a grocery store? Do you work at the mall? Like, let me know what you guys' job is. Like, obviously this is a side hustle for me. Like, Doordash is not full-time. I am an acrobat. I've been a performer for 12 years now, ever since I was 18 years old, and I'm about to turn 30 in a couple weeks. So I'm an acrobat, YouTuber obviously, and I own a footwear company and a stunt show. I also do a ton of different stuff, like I'm a cinematographer. I do like wedding shoots, and like I also was a personal trainer for like 8 years. I don't really do that too much anymore though. It just didn't really pay that well, and it was kind of a lot of work. But yeah, so now I mostly just do DoorDash in the spare time just to pay for my meal. I'm about to go get lunch pretty soon, so yeah, that's what I like to do. I just like to make sure that I pay off all my bills and stuff. So let me know what you guys do, or like what maybe you're going to school or something. Let me know down below what you guys do as a career, or what you do, and whether this is a spare job or something for you. Let me know in the comments down below. So obviously today, by the way, this is my face mask. I'm not just wearing like a bandana for no reason around my neck. It looks kind of funny. But yeah, it's funny how this passes as a face mask. Okay, so today's video obviously is about accepting every single order no matter what, which is literally the opposite of what I would tell everyone to do. Normally, like, you gotta have a standard of what kind of orders you're gonna take, whether you're gonna accept like anything that's $2 per mile or $1 per mile or whatever it is. You need to have like a standard. Like, I personally won't accept anything that's less than $7 unless it's like $6 for like 1 mile or something like that. I won't accept anything under $7, and I won't I'll make sure everything is at least $1 per mile. Like, it would have to be like, unless it's $7 for 7 miles, I probably won't take that, because I just tried to avoid driving around too much. But today we're gonna accept every single order, and we're gonna see what we get. Because like, seriously, you'll make so much more money if you're very picky on what orders you accept. Like, if you're just accepting everything, you could, like, if I accept 3 orders today and all of them are for $3, I'm only making $9, and that's probably gonna take me like an hour and a half to do it or something. So we'll see how it turns out, but it's gonna be kind of a roll of the dice. Yo, okay, we just got our first order. It is from Firehouse Subs. I got super lucky, and it's actually like a super good order. $8.50 for 2 miles. That's the kind of stuff that I'm talking about. That's normally an order that I would definitely take, and now they are adding on an extra $2.80 for 2 more miles. I wish I wasn't accepting everything right now, but all right, we're adding it to route. So we're we're gonna do an order for $8.50, and we're gonna do an order from Red Robin for $2.80 for an extra 2 miles. Honestly, that's by far the cheapest, shittiest order I have ever accepted. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna drive over to Firehouse Subs real quick. Let's go. So I am gonna be pretty disappointed if I seriously only get $2.80 for an order from Red Robin, which is a generally like pretty expensive restaurant. It's not like expensive as far as restaurants, but it is a sit-down restaurant. And I mean, hopefully they're gonna tip me after. I would say there's at least like a 60% chance of getting tipped after, but we will see. About to pull up to Firehouse Subs right now. And yeah, I don't even know how these orders are, because like Postmates does this shit where they add on extra orders, but they don't pay you for them. They just like, maybe they give you like an extra $1 for the miles that you drive or something like that. But Postmates does that where they add on orders, but at least DoorDash asks if I want the order or not, because like normally I would have said, hell no, I am not adding on an order for $2.80. But today we are accepting everything. So all right, we are literally pulling into the parking lot of Firehouse Subs. Gonna grab this food real quick. All right. One order down. Just walked in, it was ready right away. Super simple and easy. Let's do number 2 right now. About to drive over to Red Robin, which is across the street. Hopefully it's ready also. We now have both orders. We got the one from Firehouse Subs, and we got Red Robin, which is a drink, and I believe it's like a sandwich or something. So we're gonna drop off these 2 orders. They're all pretty close, but I swear to God, I'm gonna be so mad if this person who has a $2.80 order does not tip me from Red Robin. Like, this order costs $24. So, dude, you better tip me, or else. That's all you need to know. All right, real quick, little quick tip. Whenever you get double orders, DoorDash does not always necessarily give you the orders that you're delivering in the most convenient order. Like, sometimes they'll have you drive one direction and then come all the way back to where you just were to deliver the second one. So we're gonna check out these orders. We got one from Kim and one from Scotty, and we're gonna make sure that these are in a good order. So the one to Kim goes northwest, looks about 2 miles, and the one to Scotty goes, okay, so it goes northwest also. So they both are actually, they look like they're almost on the same street actually. So that's convenient, because sometimes they will give you orders and like you're like, damn, why didn't I drop off that first order? I switch them up all the time, because you can switch up your order delivery, like switch up the order that you're delivering them in. But yeah, just sometimes they're not in a good order. So today they actually are. I swear though, if this guy doesn't tip me, Mr. Scotty, you're gonna have a pissed off delivery driver, and I will get you. I'm gonna make you look like a cheap person on my YouTube channel. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, pulling up to the first order, the one that I actually like, from Kim, because she actually is tipping decently well. We'll see about Scotty. We'll see if he comes through with a tip. But yeah, pulling up to the house. It says deliver or leave at front door, so that's what I'm gonna do. I kind of like that. I don't have to sit there and wait for this like awkward moment of like someone to come out. I just like drop it off, take a photo of it on the porch, and then leave. Kind of like that. All right, so not only did it show a guaranteed amount of $8.50, she gave me an extra whole 50 cents after on the app. So it says that I got $9. I believe that's probably too overexposed for you to see. All right, next one looks like it's literally like probably like a mile away or so. I swear, man. Well, thank God it's not to apartments, because if this was a $2.80 order and I had to go to apartments, I would be pretty unhappy. But at least it's to a house, so it should be quick and easy. But if this order totally blows, I am totally, it's a lot of totallys, I know. I'm totally gonna just stop dashing today. I actually have a lot of stuff I'm gonna do, and later today I got some of my acrobat friends coming over, JR from Junk Tramp, and we're gonna do some acrobat stuff, so we'll have a vlog later today as well. Yeah, but let's go do this order. Hopefully we get a tip. All right, I am going to make some presumptions. All right, first of all, this dude has a freaking boat parked right in front of the house, which means that they got money. I haven't completed the delivery, but I just walked up to him. He was walking outside. Looked like he doing pretty well, like probably around my age or so. Has 2 nice cars in the driveway. You would think that they're gonna tip. So we're about to complete the delivery, and knowing all this, Scotty, what's that song? Scotty doesn't know? That's funny. Okay, delivery completed. All right, rate this delivery. I always skip that step. And $2.80. $2.80. This mother effer did not tip me anything. I literally got this guy's food for $2.80. And this is the exact reason, like literally, this is the exact reason. So anyone watching, this is why you don't accept orders that are that cheap, because people don't always tip and they expect you, like, dude, you expect me to deliver your food for pretty much free? Like, what, you paid a $2.80 delivery fee? What is going on here? Like, people are so stingy. Like, I don't know, I don't want to complain too much about it, because maybe this guy is totally broke or something, but seriously, come on now. How are you gonna let your driver deliver your food for $2.80? The only reason I accepted this, because I'm doing a freaking like test on my channel today to see what happens when you accept every single order. But all right, so because of how crappy that was, I am going to end it right here with that $2.80 order, because yeah, I don't want to continue doing orders for this cheap, even though I thought it would be like a fun game. Like, dude, I just drove like four miles for this guy for $2.80. Okay, that's enough complaining, but I hope you guys learned something in this video. Don't accept every single order. Be super picky. It's like strategic gambling. That's pretty much what DoorDash delivery driving is. It is kind of strategic gambling, you know? Like, you don't want to accept everything. You only want to accept certain orders, and like sometimes you might get screwed over for being too picky. Like, that happens to me sometimes. I'm very picky, and I only have like a 30% delivery rate. So thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like in this video, just because today I don't know, just because I got a $2.80 order and just trying to prove a point for you guys. So at least give me that like. If you haven't yet, please subscribe also. We will see you guys in the next one. Again, we got some more exciting stuff coming later. If you guys want to watch the acrobatic video, it's going to be like I think we're going to do like a tramp ball challenge or something. So we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and Scotty, I hope you're doing better financially in the future, because that sucked. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.